On our last episode, Carolyn and I had experienced an unexpected failure on our Torqeedo Outboard electric motor. The throttle was working very well, but the propeller hardly turned. We had lost all power, and I had to paddle my way back to X2O. Sometimes in boating life, fixing one problem just seems to lead to the next. Thank goodness we had a decent internet connection and could look up potential problems. Apparently, every year or so, owners of Torqeedo engines need to replace the cylindrical shear pin that is attached to the propeller. This pin is what drives the propeller and prevents further damage to the engine shaft. The cost of a shear pin is minimal, but getting one here to our boat in Turkish coastal waters was another story. So we decided it was time to explore the chandleries on Simi Island to find a proper replacement for our broken shear pin. Torqeedo usually ships internationally, but in Simi it's another story. The area is quite isolated and we could not find a dealer who could provide service. While brainstorming for ideas, Carolyn thought of using a steel nail to replace the pin. It just so happens that we had a nail of similar dimensions on our boat and just needed to saw both ends to make it fit in the proper housing. The operation took us about 30 minutes and our Torqeedo works just fine once again. For this, we want to thank Marky 3 Knives for his how to do an emergency shear pin replacement on a torpedo engine video. Thanks, Mark.